In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Monday.com calendar so you can see your tasks and timelines in a clean, visual way. Let's start right inside your Monday.com board. Go ahead and open the board where you keep the items you want to see on a calendar. This might be a projects board, a content calendar, a sales pipeline, or anything else where dates really matter. Make sure this is the board you actually use because the calendar view is going to reflect whatever lives here. At the top of your board, you'll see the Views bar running along the header. This is where you can switch between different ways of looking at your data, like Main Table, Kanban, and others. Look for the small plus icon in this Views bar. It's usually toward the left side, next to your existing views. Click that plus icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with a list of available views you can add to your board. This is where Monday.com lets you choose how you want to visualize your information. From this drop-down, select Calendar. As soon as you click it, Monday.com will create a new calendar view for your board. You'll now see your board items laid out in a calendar format, but at this point, it might not be using the right date information yet. That's completely normal, and this is where a quick configuration step becomes important. In the top right corner of the calendar view, find the small gear icon, which opens the settings for this specific view. Go ahead and click that gear. A configuration panel will appear, allowing you to tell Monday.com exactly which columns should feed into your calendar. Look for the options that reference date or timeline columns. If your board has a simple date column, you can select that so each item is placed on a specific day. If you're using a timeline column, choose that instead, and your items will stretch across multiple days, which is perfect for longer projects or tasks with a start and end date. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the columns that your team actually uses to track due dates or schedules. Once you've selected the right date or timeline columns, your calendar will instantly update to reflect those settings. And that's it. You've activated the calendar view on your Monday.com board and configured it to show the dates or timelines that matter most, giving you a clear, visual way to stay on top of your work.